What you looking at? You all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be who you wanna be. You need people like me. You need people like me so you can point your fucking fingers at and say, that's the bad guy. So, what that make you good? You're not good. You just know how to hide. How to lie. Me? I don't have that problem. Me? I always tell the truth. Even when I lie. So say goodnight to the bad guy. Come on! The last time you're gonna see a bad guy like this, again, let me tell you. Come on! Make way for the bad guy, huh? There's a bad guy coming through. Better get out of his way.